This slow cooker barbecue chicken recipe is juicy, delicious, and it's just one of those chuck it and forget it recipes. No prep, we just throw everything in the slow cooker, pop the lid on it, and that is it. So good. This is how you do it. To your slow cooker, you're going to add in some smoked paprika along with a half teaspoon of cumin, some garlic powder, apple cider vinegar or white wine vinegar, Worcester sauce, and then a little bit of water to help loosen things before adding in your honey for some delicious sweetness. Then add about 120 grams of just supermarket own brand barbecue sauce, doesn't need to be anything fancy, and then mix everything through before adding in your chicken. I'm going to use chicken thighs for this because they're juicier and tastier. You could easily use chicken breast if you want to keep the calories down, totally up to you. And for cooking, I'm going to give it about 2-3 hours on high. You could cook it for longer on low, but just make sure that chicken breast hits 74 degrees Celsius and you're good to go. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. Once it's ready, you could serve the chicken whole if you want, but I think it's best to just shred it up with a fork. That means it's more versatile. You can put it in sandwiches and a jacket potato, or just have it as, you know, a meat part of a main meal. Totally fine. I'm garnish it with some chives, and all you need to do is just get stuck in. As always, if you'd like the full written recipe for this, you can get it inside my recipes app. There's a link to download it in the description below. Thanks again for watching. See ya.